See, today we're removing the headlight of my 2012 WRX. It has, replacing it with this one. You can see it's already done on this side. It has 5 bolts. There's one right here. Has another one over here in the bottom. Has another one here. And it has one right here and one down here. All you do is, after that, just pull it out. Just like that. Unplug that right there. It's right there. All you gotta do is pull it out. It's connected. Then you have to remove the bottom part. It's that screw, this screw, and this screw. Pretty much the same way you put him back as you took him out. Right there. That's how it looks. I still gotta put my new fog lights on, and then I'll show you guys how it looks after with the bumper on. Sorry if it's loud, I got my heater on. It's snowing out there. But I decided to use the connections they came with because I had the old connections from my original fog lights, so I decided to put them back. And I decided to put a lip on it, might as well. As you can see, I have to get it leveled out to be perfect, but I got it on. We'll see right now how it looks after I'm done installing the bumper. So we're done. Installation was complete on new bumper, new fog lights, headlights. Looks. Oh yeah, and the lip right there looks a little bit cleaner on the cuts now.